Hello, welcome back. Bleach hates to see me coming. Wait, welcome back to Vlogmas.
Oh yeah, Vlogmas. I forget we're doing Vlogmas.
This is whatever. It's confusing.
Do you need assistance?
Possibly. Just little bits, but mainly on the parts that are purple. I'm trying to not get my natural hair.
Okay.
It's been funny at work the last few weeks. We've got new people, and so like they have only known me with like colored hair. And I said something last night, and I was like, "Oh yeah, with my red hair," and she said, "Red hair, like bright red, like Ariel?" And I was like, "No, my natural hair is red." She was like, "What?" I said, "But also, yeah, kind of like Ariel." And I showed her a picture, and she was like, "That really doesn't look like you." I was like, no, that looks like me. Everything else doesn't look like me. And I was like, "You should see me with makeup on." She said, "Really?" And I said, "Yeah, I got my makeup done for my friend's wedding," and all of us were all shook.
That's funny. Yeah, that's funny. I was going on my break, and I saw Sean, and he just looked so freaking dead. I was just like, "Oh man, this poor dude." And then I see him crack a freaking Diet Pepsi and just down it. The next time I see him, this man is just going ham to, I think Hole was playing. He was just going crazy. And then that's when I saw MK, and I was just like, "Is he good?" He's like, "Dude, he was like tired like 10 minutes ago. I don't know what happened." So he cracked a Pepsi. That's what happened.
That Pepsi was soul-saving.
Yeah.
You can start with this one, yeah.
Okay, cool. So for this one I did, it was called Hotel Ops or Daytime Ops. So basically just making sure that the flow of traffic was moving efficiently and with as little issues, I guess. Because through the port, it was ridiculous because it's the venue, the Queen Mary, and then the Carnival cruise was coming back. So everybody was deboarding the boat and also trying to board the next boat. And then people were trying to go to Catalina. It was just man.
Tear. I'm crying.
Not crying.
That's a bleach. But, sorry, as you were saying, you're doing hotel ops?
Hotel Ops, yeah, just...
The Carnival cruise
the Carnival cruise was deboarding and also going to reboard for the next cruise going out. And then, obviously, people... But it was also funny because people were staying at the Queen Mary, so they were entering the festival with luggage. And then going all the way through to get to the boat to get to their hotel room.
It's like EDC.
Yeah, kind of, but kind of like a weirder situation because in EDC at least you're kind of like split in the middle.
Oh, you want to come be included?
Come on.
Okay, come here.
At least for EDC, like it's kind of like in the middle, and then you can just like go either way.
Oh, yeah.
This one's like you actually have to go through the venue, and then you go through. Yeah. So it was weird.
So you were the person between the boat and the hotel?
Between both boats and the venue. Yeah. Because I was even looking, I was like, "So when does the Queen Mary have a water slide?" And I was just like, "Oh wait, I saw the Queen Mary, I saw the big sea." I was like, "Oh, okay, that makes more sense why there's so many people."
Yeah.
And there's so many times where like people are in the wrong lane because where it splits, it's literally just separated by a cone and a metal gate. And so people were like, "I'm just trying to go to Carnival." I was like, "Oh, this is a festival line. Go that way."
Yeah.
So, very quiet, very behind the scenes.
Hey, at least now you exactly know where to go if we do that Mexico cruise. Yeah.
Very different, but I enjoyed it. It was quiet. I didn't have to deal with, like the crowds and the traffic and everything. It was a good festival. I just think the venue could have been a lot better.
I know a lot of people like that venue.
A lot of people do like the venue. I think because of how long it is, it's very narrow, and so the crowds going to and from, like between sets, is a hassle.
Yeah. Who did you see?
I saw Hybrid Minds. That was one that I don't think I know them or know their music, but this is the first time I see them live for sure. And they were really, really good. I went with Jenna, and that's when I found Jenna. And she was like, "Oh, I'm going to Hybrid Minds, like, come with." So I went with her. And it was like a very spiritual set that I was at, because everybody was just in the vibe with the music, just loving each other and just dancing. Jenna went from like being kind of mad because girls were bumping her like as we were walking to like, oh my god, I love you and I'm so glad we found each other here. I've been wanting to break with you and Shel and blah blah blah. And then we found Rose and Derek, and I was just like, okay, this is just a good time. Kaiwachi's always a good one. He obviously dropped some new music.
Oh
so
yeah, I saw that.
it was really, really good. Who else? I saw Hole for a little bit. He's, same set that he played at Subby's show in SF. Who else did I see? I didn't really pay. In the morning, I couldn't really see who was playing. Oh, I saw Level Up.
Oh yeah.
I saw a little bit of that.
Did you see Subtronic's post about Sonia's mom being at the rail?
Nah,
Yeah.
I didn't see that. No, so you know what's funny? Apparently one of the I think he's new. I haven't seen him yet. But one of the ground controllers.
Huh?
Apparently he talked to Subby, but he didn't know who Subtronics was. Like he was just like in line getting food, and Subby was in line getting food too.
No way.
Yeah, and he went up to him like, "Oh, hey, dude, I love your outfit." And so he was just like, "Oh, I'm actually a DJ." And he's like, "Oh, what's your name?" And he's like, "Subtronics." And he's like telling everybody at base, and we're all losing our freaking mind because it's Subtronics, you know.
How do you not know?
That's
Jesse!
Dude, how are you coming to Apocalypse and you don't know who freaking Subtronics is? But
oh my gosh.
I was like, you better know now. I was like, if you don't become a fan after that interaction, I'm very disappointed.
Oh man.
But it was funny. Dude, the food, some of the food was, average for a festival.
Yeah.
That Euro, bomb.
Also, I don't think we mentioned this, but the reason I'm fixing my hair today specifically, even though countdown's not till the end of the month, is because we're getting Christmas pictures done.
Oh yeah.
And so I want my hair to be fresh for the Christmas pictures that are to come.
Dude, those pictures are gonna be freaking hilarious.
Yeah,
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. It will be included in Vlogmas. Now.
Wait.
While we're waiting for my hair to process, we're gonna open one of the things we bought for Black Friday. You wanna do the honors?
Sure. Shelby's very excited for this. I've never tried one of these.
I think he's gonna love it.
I hope so.
But it was $175 on Amazon. And we both have icky backs.
Yeet.
Man, you just flip up. I see what you do. Oh.
Sure.
Some assembly likely required.
Oh, some.
Yeah. This should be fun to put together.
Yeah. Interesting. You do it right.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. No cutting corners on this one.
You either come home and one of us is just stuck on this thing.
Passed out because we've been upside down too long. But yeah, it's an inversion table. We both love the chiropractor, but with our schedules and our finances, chiropractor is not really practical right now. And we have a very busy year coming up.
Yeah, you said.
So, we decided to invest in an inversion table.
Right.
Well, we thought we were recording us putting it together, but now they won't know about the greasy nuts.
Dumbasses.
Anyways,
Right.
at least we'll get to record your first time on one. But this goes on the...
Yeah, so we pretty much assembled this whole freaking thing, and then I'm gonna be the guinea pig trying this. And you guys didn't hear any of the freaking conversation because I didn't press record.
It'll be alright.
We just bought tickets to go to Wicked, so we're gonna go do that after I break my back. I hope it's like the scene from Incredibles when he's fighting the robot and it just like pulls him apart and it just adjusts. I want that. So
This goes on the outside though. But yeah, the reason it was $175 is because I got the one that has a heated massager. It's a win in my book.
the fact that I have to clamp my freaking ankles down, that's the concerning part.
Start to lean yourself. Yeah. So So that's 10?
Yeah.
Or no, that's 20.
Full inversion.
See?
Why not? See what it's all about.
90 degrees.
Ooh.
See?
Ooh. Spooky. Oh, actually.
It's,
Ooh.
yeah. So long.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just get up here. Woo!
Don't do that.
Listen, you don't have to jump off the ground to get in it.
Would you be careful?
I'm used to ones that have a little bit more tension, that's why. Spooky.
Let it go.
Don't you fucking say it.
How do you feel?
Yeah, my spine's popping too.
Yeah. With the freaking. Yeah. There you go. So you just eat yourself backwards.
So what are you doing? Why are you like that?
Hi.
Why are you like that, Dad? Why are you like that? Oh, who's the day girl?
Alright, you're gonna show your croissants.
I'm not really sure if I call them croissants.
They're cannolis. They're cannolis. We're supposed to be croissants. They were kind of just improvised, but we still gonna eat them. So.
My pre-movie snack.
Yeah, we're gonna head to the movies. This is gonna be the end of the vlog for today.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.